AS8591 computer networks. So performance. So network performance எப்படி measure பண்றோம் அப்படின்னா from the end user perspective. So it's a very important factor for any computer based systems and a network. இதில் 4 approaches இருக்கு. So என்னெல்லாம் அப்படின்னா bandwidth, throughput, latency, jitter. So bandwidth அப்படிங்கிறது என்னன்னா எவ்வளவு number of bits வந்து transmit பண்ண முடியும் over a period of time. அதுதான் நான் சொல்றேன்னா bandwidth அப்படின்னு சொல்றோம். So it's meant by ஒரு channel capacity அப்படின்னு கூட சொல்லலாம். So for example bandwidth of 10 million bits per second அப்படின்னா that is able to deliver a 10 million bits every second. So அதில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 2 types இருக்கு, bandwidth in hertz, bandwidth in bits per second. So bandwidth in hertz அப்படிங்கிறது it refers to the range of frequencies. So for example bandwidth of a subscriber telephone line is 4 kilohertz. Then bandwidth in bits per second அப்படிங்கிறது it refers to the number of bits per second that a channel, a link or even a network can transmit. So throughput அப்படிங்கிறது என்னன்னா is a measure of the number of bits that can pass through a network per second. So throughput னா என்ன சொல்றோம், the measure of how fast we can actually send the data through a network. So அதான் என்ன சொல்றோம்னா throughput அப்படின்னு சொல்றோம். So throughput equal to என்ன சொல்றோம்னா transfer size by transfer time. So latency. So latencyங்கிறது ஒரு sourceல இருந்து destination வரைக்கும் இந்த மெசேஜ் எப்படி travel ஆகுது, எவ்வளவு நேரம் எடுக்கு, அந்த elapsed time தான் என்ன சொல்றோம்னா latency அப்படின்னு சொல்றோம். So elapsed time for the successful delivery of the message. So என்ன சொல்லலாம், it is a measure of how long a single bit takes to propagate from one end of a link to other end. So it is defined using 4 components: propagation time, transmission time, queuing, processing, delay. So propagation time அப்படிங்கிறது it's defined as specific amount of time a bit takes to propagate from source to destination. So propagation time equal to என்னன்னா distance by propagation speed. Transmission time அப்படிங்கிறது ஒரு சேனல் வந்து எவ்வளவு நேரம் எடுத்துக்குது to transmit a unit of data. அதான் என்ன சொல்றோம்னா transmission time அப்படின்னு சொல்றோம். So அந்த டைம் வந்து எதை பேஸ் பண்ணி இருக்கும்னா size of the message and bandwidth of the channel. So transmission time equal to message size by bandwidth. Queuing அப்படிங்கிறது என்னன்னா a packet is queued at each intermediate node or router in a network before it can be processed. So அப்படி the waiting time in a queue அதுதான் என்ன சொல்றோம்னா queuing அப்படின்னு சொல்றோம். Then processing delay. So a time taken by the intermediate device to process the messages. So அதான் என்ன சொல்றோம் processing delay அப்படின்னு சொல்றோம். So latency equal to propagation time plus transmission time plus queuing and processing delay. So delayங்கிறது என்ன சொல்றோம்னா maximum number of bits that could be transmit through the pipe at any given instant. So ஒரு volume of the pipe எப்படி calculate பண்றோம்னா delay into bandwidth. Round trip time அப்படிங்கிறது என்னன்னா ஒரு end of the networkல இருந்து இன்னொரு எண்டுக்கு மெசேஜ் போயிட்டு திரும்ப ரிவர்ஸ்ல அதே டெஸ்டினேஷன்ல இருந்து சோர்ஸுக்கு வரதா என்ன சொல்றோம் round trip time அப்படின்னு சொல்றோம். So the time takes for a bit of information to propagate from one end of a network to the other end and revert back. So jitter அப்படிங்கிறது என்னன்னா it's a variation in the packet arrival time, that is an uneven delay in the delivery of audio or video packets. So the delay வந்து எதனால கூட இருக்கலாம் அப்படின்னா by network congestions, collisions, signal interference கூட இருக்கலாம். So it occur when a system is not in a deterministic state. So ஒரு variation in a delay தான் நான் சொல்றேன்னா jitter அப்படின்னு சொல்றோம். So the performance fact, these are the topics we covered. Next பார்த்தீங்கன்னா transmission media. So transmission media அப்படிங்கிறது என்னன்னா it's actually located below the physical layer and or directly controlled by the physical layer. So it's a physical path between the source and destination that carry the information signals. So there are 2 types இருக்கு. There is guided medium, unguided medium. So ஒரு center and receiver இடையில it's cable or air, it's a transmit the data. So அதான் நான் சொல்றேன்னா transmission medium. It's actually located below the physical layer. So guided medium அப்படிங்கிறது the signals or electromagnetic waves that are guided along the solid medium. Unguided is wireless அப்படினு சொல்றோம். So it is boundless and guided is contained within the physical boundaries. So guided la 3 types இருக்கு. Twisted pair cable, coaxial cable, fiber optic cable. Guided medium. So which are those that provide a conduit from one device to another. So it provides the channel from one device to another, that include twisted pair cable, coaxial cable, fiber optic cable. So twisted pair அப்படிங்கிறது two conductors இருக்கும், each with its own plastic insulation, just shown in the figure here. So one is used to carry the signals to the receiver and other is used only as a ground reference. This is important to note here. So the signal sent by the sender on one of the wires and the interference, noise and the crosstalk may affect both the wires and create unwanted signals. So twisted pair like two types undu. It is unshielded twisted pair, shielded twisted pair. So diagram there irukku. So unshielded ingiradhu, it's not contain a metallic shield, is a set of twisted pairs of cable within a plastic sheath. So an ordinary telephone wire which carry both the voice as well as data. Shielded twisted pair அப்படிங்கிறது itself is carried by a metal shield and finally by the plastic cover. So the metal shield ஓட job என்னன்னா, it prevents the penetration of electromagnetic noise. So it reduces the noise and the crosstalk substantially. So STP is compared to more expensive than UTP. So coaxial cable, so it carries signals of higher frequency ranges compared to twisted pair. So it has a central core conductor is surrounded by the outer metallic conductor. So outer conductor இருக்கும் by insulator, then it's fully covered by the plastic cover. So this outer metallic wrapping down serves both as a shield against the noise and is the secondary conductor which completes the circuit. So this outer conductor is also enclosed in an insulating sheath and the whole cable is protected by a plastic cover. So advantages means first we see the standards. So categories of coaxial cables. So these are the standards that are categorized by the radio government ratings, that is RG. So each RG number denotes a unique set of physical specification. The physical specifications எதை பேஸ் பண்ணிருக்குன்னா, wire gauge of the inner conductor, thickness and types of the inner insulator and construction of the shield and the size and type of the outer casing. So cable TV कितना ohms, the thin Ethernet 50 ohms, thick Ethernet 50 ohms. So the three types of connectors இருக்கு, BNC connector, BNC T, BNC terminator. So BNC connector அப்படிங்கிறது, it's connect an end of the cable to a device such as TV set. BNC T ங்கிறது allows a secondary cable to branch off from a main line. It's used in a thin Ethernet. BNC terminator is used at the end of the cable to prevent the reflection of the signal. So BNC ங்கிறது beyond nail concealment. Fiber optic cable is an important one. It's made up of a glass or plastic that transmits signals in the form of light. So it travels in a straight line and moving through the single uniform substance. Here three diagrammatic representations, that is how a ray of light changes the direction when going from a denser to less dense substance. So இங்க angle of incidence வச்சு தான் சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. So angle of incidence வந்து critical angle ஓட less than இருந்துச்சு அப்படின்னா the ray refracts. So if the angle of incidence is equal to critical angle, then the light bends along the interface. So if the angle is greater than the critical angle, the ray reflects and travel again in denser. So it uses both a reflection to guide the light through a channel. So the core and cladding or diagram, this represents the refractions within the core. So types of fiber optic cables is main on based on index of refraction and based on modes. So index profile அப்படிங்கிறது என்னன்னா two types, that is step index, graded index. Then propagation modes. So mode என்னன்னா it's refer the path that the light can travel in passing through the fiber. So two types இருக்கு, multi mode, single mode. So multimode it takes many paths through the core. Step index அப்படில என்ன சொல்லிருக்காங்கன்னா the density of the core remains constant from the center to the edges. So beam of the light move through this constant density in a straight line until it reaches the interface of the core and cladding. So அங்க the refractive index of the core வந்து யூனிஃபார்மா இருக்கும். So the term step index refers to the suddenness of the change which contributes to the distortion of the signal as it passes through the fiber. So graded index fiber அப்படிங்கிறது decreases the distortion of the signal through the cable. So here index refers to the index of refraction. It is related to the density. So density வந்து இங்க எப்படி இருக்கும்னா higher at the center of the core and decreases gradually to its lowest edge. Single modeங்கிறது number of node வந்து என்னவா இருக்கும்னா 1 இருக்கும். So single mode fiber itself is manufactured with a smaller diameter than that of the multimode fiber. So the modes oda representation. So for example the step index refractive index of the core is uniform, while for graded index the refractive index of the core is non-uniform. In step index the refractive index takes place at the interference of the core and cladding, and graded the refractive index of the core decreases parabolically from the axis of the fiber. So fiber size is defined by the ratio of the diameter of the core to the diameter of their cladding. So it's mainly expressed in a microns or the micrometer. So advantages of optical fiber: it's a wider bandwidth and greater information capacity, less signal attenuation, immunity to noise. Disadvantage: due to its small size and brittleness, it makes more difficult to work with. So cost and installation maintenance are its difficulties. Thank you.